Hi students, today we're going to learn about the snipping tool and how to use it and how to save. The snipping tool is like a camera. So if you had to show evidence of something that you were working on that you didn't know how to show a score or something like that, you could always use the snipping tool to take a picture. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to Cortana and we're going to search for snip, S-N-I-P. And it's like the pair of scissors. When you open it up, you get this little dialog box and you click on New to be able to draw your area that you want to take a picture of. So it whites out and then you put your mouse and you click and hold on the left click and hold. Now if I let go too soon, that's what happens. I only get half of what I want to capture. Not a big deal. You just go back up to New at the top and you start again. So I've got a box around what I want to capture as evidence. Now I'm going to go down and I'm going to show you my slide before I bring it up. There we go. So what we're going to do is when we go File, Save As, we're looking for the words this PC, and that's what this looks like. And then we're going to look for the sideways V. We have to hover our mouse over the words this PC, and that will show up. And then under this PC, we're looking for the words desktop. So I'm going to go back to my paint, and I'm going to open back up my snipping tool. Then I'm going to go to File, Save As, and I look for that sideways. I found this PC. I look for the sideways triangle, click on it. I have to hover my mouse over top. I'll show you again. I have to put my mouse over top to the left of the words this PC, and that's where you'll see that sideways V. Click, and then we get to desktop. And I'm going to call this one Test 3. And I'm going to click Save. Now I have a picture of it, and I could turn it into Schoology, or I could turn it into an assignment on Teams, or I could email it to a teacher. So that's just a quick tutorial on using the snipping tool. Bye for now.